This is our paper bag book for the book A Pair of Red Clogs by Masako Matsuno and illustrated by Kazu Mizumura. This is how we did our 5 in a row unit. As you can see, if you haven't seen any of our paper bag books before, it's literally a paper bag, and we've just folded it and adhered and punched a couple of holes and adhered the pages in with some twine, and we just used some scrap paper. So a lot of these are printables from Homeschool Share. A couple others are from Scholastic, and I've got all of the links to those in this post. So the first thing we did, because we were working on geography, so the first thing we did was to do a flag of Japan and talked about why there's a red dot there, the land of the rising sun. The next thing we did is we took a look at where in the world is Japan. Since we've already done Katie and the Big Snow, we knew about compasses, so we reviewed compass use here with this. We colored the islands of Japan, and then we located where Japan is in the world. And as you can see, we've got our key here, and then we located where we live in the world, so we could see how close, or really how far, Japan was from us. We did a little bit of copy work. So this is another one from Homeschool Share. This was a great printout from Scholastic. It was a little confusing at first, but when we figured out how to do it, part of the book is about predicting weather. So we printed out this thermometer, and it's actually got a pull tab here on the side, you can see. So as you pull it, of course it's folded now because of the book, but you can pull the tab and it changes this section of the thermometer, so you can actually make, let's see if I can get a good picture of this. You can make the temperature, well, I guess I can't do it with one hand. But anyway, you can make the temperature change on the thermometer. So we colored that, and we used that quite a bit in our study. We also did some work with recording temperatures. You can see we had some unbelievably unseasonable warm weather in March here in Maine. So we recorded the temperature for the week that we read this book. We did a little bit of coloring. I printed a few coloring pages from homeschoolshare.com. Our reading words, I just typed those up and I put those in here just kind of to remember. We're working on the difference between capital letters and lowercase letters, so I've got all of our reading words this week in both. And then just the last page of the book, because I had an extra page, and I took that down off our bulletin board and stuck it in. So that's what we did to remember our unit study with our paper bag book.